Chapter 4 Structure. You can divide substances into two quite different types: giant structures and molecular structures. And we are going to study both of them. We are going to define them, to look at examples and see the difference between both. So structures are two kinds: the molecular structure, and the second kind is the giant structure. The first type is molecular structure. From its name, it's made up of molecules. Consider this figure. This is a molecule. The colored spheres are atoms, and they are bonded together. The white links between the atoms are those bonds. They are covalent bonds. So when atoms are held together by a covalent bond, we call the structure a molecule. Molecules or molecular structures are made up of fixed number of atoms. Fixed means does not change, so the number of atoms does not increase or decrease. It stays the same, like this molecule. Its number of atoms is fixed. These atoms are joined together by covalent bonds. For example, the blue atom and the light purple one are linked together by a covalent bond, and this is represented as this white link. All of the atoms are linked by covalent bonds. The number of atoms is fairly small, but can be thousands in some big molecules. The number of atoms can be small, but it also can be huge in some molecules. Remember, it is a fixed number of atoms. These big molecules that have thousands of atoms are DNA or proteins. Let's see how they look. First of all, this is DNA. DNA holds the genetic information in the human body. It's a huge molecule and it contains thousands of atoms. It's a big molecule. Also, proteins. You can see from the picture the large number of atoms and molecules that are found in proteins. Usually, the number of atoms is fairly small in the molecular structure, but DNA and proteins are examples of some of the large molecules. Also remember that the bond in molecular structures is a covalent bond.